In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to allow both camera and microphone permissions on apps on iPhone. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to the settings of your iPhone. So see my settings here, I will tap on it. As the settings opens, scroll down until you get to apps. So tap there. Then get to the particular app you want to allow the camera or microphone permission or even both. So here, let's use Facebook. So I'll tap on Facebook. Now you can see here microphone is turned off and camera is turned off. So tap on that button. You can see the microphone has been turned on. Tap on camera. You can see the camera has been turned on. So with this, I can record with microphone and camera when I'm on Facebook or maybe when I'm uploading something on Facebook. All right, the same applies if it's another app you want to work on. But note, it's not all apps that have these options. Okay, the apps that have this option are apps that can allow videos and allow audios. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.